Claude AI is the newest and best AI chatbot on the market. In this video, I will show you exactly how to use it, from performing the simplest tasks like reading a PDF, all the way up to the most advanced ones, like coding games and creating interactive infographics. This is Claude's AI dashboard, where you will be brought once you signed up. Here we have the prompt bar where we will type our prompts. Down here we have the current Claude AI model, which we are using. We are currently using Claude 3.5 Sonnet, which is the latest and best model. Now let me show you how you can use Claude AI. First, let's start with something simple. Let's ask a question like, when did World War I start? And press enter. We can see that it gave us the answer in this small paragraph. Another function of Claude AI is that it can also recognize the context of pictures. For example, we can come over here to add content and upload an image of a dog. Once the image is uploaded, we can simply ask the AI, what do you see in the picture? And it will give us this detailed answer, explaining everything it detects inside the picture. It also has the ability to read PDFs and extract data from them. For example, I have this PDF which is a study on the effects of social media on teenagers. And inside this study it states that there has been a 274% increase in the total number of cosmetic procedures, which is a very specific fact that it would be difficult for the AI to know by itself, but it is clearly stated inside the PDF. So let's see if Claude can detect it. We first need to upload the PDF. And now we will simply ask Claude, what is the increase in the number of cosmetic procedures? And as you can see in the answer it gave us, it states that there has been a 274% increase, which is exactly the same with the information we saw inside the PDF. Alright, now it's time to show you some more advanced and useful functions of Claude AI. But in order to be able to perform these advanced actions first, we have to come down here, where it says Artifacts, and click. Now we need to come down here and turn Artifacts on. With Artifacts on, we can prompt Claude AI to write code, text documents, and even create website designs, which we will be able to preview inside a new preview tab that will appear next to our conversation. Let's start with an interesting one. Let's create a fully functioning ping-pong game just by typing a single prompt and letting Claude AI do the rest. The prompt we are going to use is create a 3D ping-pong game that allows you to play ping-pong looking straight at the table versus the computer. And run it. Now we simply wait while Claude AI writes the code of the game. Once the code is done, we will be automatically transferred to the preview option where we will be able to play the game we just created. And boom! The game has been created. Look, we can play ping pong normally versus the computer just like any other game that we can find on the internet. The only difference is we didn't need to hire a developer to create it, we just typed a small prompt explaining what we wanted, and Claude AI did all the work for us. Now we also have the option to create different types of text documents and presentations. Let's say, for example, we want to create a PowerPoint presentation about the impact AI is going to have on the job market. The only thing we have to do is to come to the prompt bar and type, create a PowerPoint presentation about the impact AI is going to have on the job market, and run it. Claude AI is now creating the structure of our presentation and is also generating all the text that will be inside the presentation. And boom, our presentation is finished. And as you can see, it has the information already written and separated in different slides. There also is empty space so we can insert the pictures we want ourselves. In this slide, there are graphs, which are also interactive because if I hover my mouse on top of them, more information appears, which makes our presentation even more engaging. As we scroll down, we can see that the presentation has a consistent design and structure, all the way to the end. And remember that all of this was created by typing a one-sentence prompt. Another function of Claude AI is website design. We basically can prompt Claude AI to create a website design for us. So what we need to do is to come over here to the prompt bar and type, create a very beautiful website design for an e-commerce store which sells custom water bottles. The website design should be optimized for high conversions. And now we simply wait while Claude AI creates our website for us. I will be back with you once it is done. And boom, the website is finished and it looks amazing. Let's take a look at it. Here there are the different models with their pricing underneath them. Also, there is a section with all the benefits of buying the water bottles. And there also is a testimonial section where customers' reviews are visible. This really is a site that an actual company could have, and we just created it in less than a minute with just one small prompt. Now imagine if we took the time to develop a big prompt with clear instructions of exactly what we want the site to look like. The results would be amazing. Alright, finally let me show you how you can create amazing interactive graphs with just one prompt. Here I have the Amazon first quarter earnings report, which is a PDF with a lot of data and numbers, which I find very boring to read. But with Claude AI, I don't have to worry about that. We simply need to come over here to add content and upload the PDF. Now we will come to the prompt bar and type create an interactive business intelligence infographics report of this Q1 report and click on enter. Now we simply wait while our interactive infographics are being created. And boom, they are done. As you can see, we are in the overview tab where we can see all of the main metrics of the report, but we are not done. We can come over here and click on segment, and this opens a brand new tab with all of the segment information depicted in graphics. Also, if you hover over them, they give you extra information like the sales and growth percentages. We also can click on the sales breakdown tab, which gives us all the information we need about the sales breakdown, just in a more fun and visually appealing way than just reading numbers from an Excel sheet. Don't forget to like the video and sub to the channel for more videos like this one. And if you want to learn whether Claude AI is really better than ChatGPT, click on this video right here.